snow day at CU. Got a bunch of snow, got dumped on, so we just came out here in the middle of the day. Built this little in-run. We got a mini kicker going on with this goalpost, tried to do some taps and stuff. And then this rail over here, it's kind of an odd angle, so the snowboarders are having some trouble, but yeah, the skiers are getting it all right for sure. Got this Banshee bungee to tow in, so we're just having a good time.
Yeah, that's gonna be so good.
Perfect day out, as you can see. Got the classes off for the day, so no homework, no school, no professors, just snow, some rails, some homies.